Chocolate-covered strawberries are perfect for celebrations, such as Valentine's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, or parties. Or it doesn't have to be a special day at all. You can have these as desserts, or you can prepare these for your children's afternoon snacks. This requires a few ingredients and little time. Clean the strawberries and pat dry with a paper towel. Leave them out at room temperature and let them dry completely. We do not want any water. Boil some water on low heat in a pot. When you see steam coming out, put a glass bowl on top. Add the chocolates. Stir gently until chocolates are fully melted. Dip the strawberry into the melted chocolate. If you place it on the parchment paper, you will end up with a flat side, which is okay. If you want consistent chocolate coating without a flat side, you can do it by using skewers and styrofoam. I have a couple of unused pots here that I put styrofoam in. Put a paper towel over the styrofoam to catch excess chocolate. This needs to go into the fridge for the chocolate to cool. It will take about 20 to 30 minutes or until the chocolate is hard and come off the parchment paper easily. In the same way, melt white chocolates. You can skip this part, but it's so worth doing it, because the contrast between dark chocolates and white chocolates is just amazing. White chocolates firms up quickly, so we need to work fast. I don't bake other than sourdough, so I don't have piping bags. So, I will show you a trick. I have a small plastic bag. Pour some chocolate here and zip it. Cut the tip with scissors. Squeeze with your hand and voila! If you are very conscious about producing unnecessary plastic waste, use a fork instead. The looks can vary, but what could go wrong? They are all the same delicious chocolate-covered strawberries. Put the strawberries in the fridge for about 10 more minutes so that white chocolate can set.